Welcome, savvy marketers, to an exciting journey where we unveil some hidden gems of affiliate marketing niches that can skyrocket your earnings to new heights. Ever wondered about those unconventional, under-the-radar niches that most people overlook but actually offer massive untapped potential? Well, you're in for a real treat today. I'm going to walk you through best unique and profitable niches that you can tap into right now to dramatically boost your affiliate commissions. So before we dive into these hidden moneymakers, let me first say, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and strategies. Also, if you find value in today's content, please give it a thumbs up. It truly makes a huge difference for us. And of course, share this video with your fellow affiliate marketers who are hungry to explore new horizons and break out of the oversaturated niches. Alright, let's get right into niche number 1. Do you know that the pet care industry is now a whopping $95 billion market just in the US alone? Everything related to pampering your furry friends is hot, from organic pet food and supplements to high-end accessories and grooming services. So become an affiliate for sites selling these high-margin pet products. Niche number 2 is in the fast-rising self-improvement space. The global personal development industry currently stands at a staggering $40 billion. Niches like mindfulness, meditation, self-help, and coaching training are hugely popular now. Promote digital courses, books, and memberships in these niches to tap into this explosive demand. Up next is niche number 3, fitness and workout gear. The global sports nutrition and high-performance fitness apparel sector alone is projected to hit $35 billion by 2028. Become an affiliate partner of brands selling smart home gyms, athletic wear, health supplements, and equipment. The possibilities are endless here. Niche number 4 is in the addiction recovery and mental health space. The global behavioral rehabilitation market is predicted to reach $247 billion in the next few years. Promote rehab centers, online therapy platforms, support communities, and coaching programs to tap into this growing need. Niche number 5 is in the trendy augmented and virtual reality sector. The AR/VR market is set to grow at a CAGR of 54% to reach $72 billion by 2030. Promote AR/VR gaming products, wearables, smart glasses, and creative content development platforms. Niche number 6. The electric vehicle industry is absolutely exploding right now and poised for massive growth in the coming years. According to projections, the global EV market is expected to reach a staggering $803 billion by 2027, rising at a compound annual growth rate of 22.6%. Some key drivers propelling this explosive growth include rapid advancements in EV technology leading to longer battery range, shorter charging times and lower costs, wider adoption among consumers due to increased environmental awareness and rising gas prices, government subsidies and tax incentives for EVs in many countries, major automakers like GM, Volkswagen, and others committing billions to EV development and manufacturing, and infrastructure improvements like increased availability of public EV charging stations. As an affiliate marketer, you have the perfect opportunity to capitalize on this high-growth industry. Here are some specific ways you can make big money. Promote major EV brands like Tesla, Rivian, Lucid Motors, Polestar, Nissan Leaf, and others. When consumers buy an EV, you get a commission. Become an affiliate for charging networks like ChargePoint, EVGeo, Volta, Tesla Superchargers, etc. You earn for every new member sign-up or charging session booked. Promote aftermarket EV products like batteries, EV parts and components, charging cables, wall connectors, and installation services. Sell EV accessories like floor mats, seat covers, sunshades, cargo organizers, and other auto accessories specially made for EVs. The possibilities are truly endless given how fast this niche is evolving. Become an early player riding the growth wave in the EV space for years to come. Niche number 7. The booming renewable energy sector. As sustainability becomes an increasingly important priority worldwide, the renewable energy market is absolutely exploding and projected to reach a staggering $2.2 trillion globally by 2027. Some major factors propelling massive growth in this sector include declining costs of wind and solar technology, Favorable government policies like tax credits, rising investments, and the urgent need to combat climate change through clean energy adoption. As an affiliate marketer, you can capitalize on this mega trend in a big way. Here are some prime opportunities. Promote top solar panel brands and get commissions for every sale or new install. The residential solar market alone is over $77 billion per year. Become an affiliate partner for leading wind turbine manufacturers like Vestas, Siemens Gamesa, GE Renewables, etc. Earn commissions when you drive signals for green energy utilities, providing 100% renewable electricity. Promote smart thermostats, insulation, and other home energy efficiency products that align with sustainability. Recommend green construction and renovation companies that use renewable materials and processes. Sell DIY guides, courses, and publications focused on renewable energy adoption, homesteading, and off-grid living. And this niche isn't just limited to products or installers. You could also promote renewable energy events, conferences, activism initiatives, and even eco-friendly clothing lines. Niche number 8 is the rapidly growing 3D printing sector. 3D printing technology is advancing rapidly and projected to explode into a $44 billion global industry by 2030 according to forecasts. Some major growth drivers are reduced 3D printer costs, expanded applications across many industries, greater product customization demands, and increased government investments. As an affiliate marketer, you have amazing potential to profit from the surge in 3D printing. Here are some prime ways to capitalize. Promote desktop 3D printers for hobbyists and prosumers from brands like Creality, Flashforge, Anycubic, etc. Become an affiliate partner for industrial 3D printer manufacturers like 3D Systems, Stratasys, EOS Gimbey, HP 3D Printing. Earn commissions promoting 3D printer materials including filaments, resins, powders, and more. Generate affiliate revenue selling 3D modeling and CAD software like Blender, Tinkercad, 3ds Max, Maya, etc. Offer 3D printing services locally or become an affiliate for printed part marketplaces like Sculpteo, Immaterialize, Shakeways. Sell online courses and ebooks focused on 3D printing mastery, design skills, and monetization. Promote 3D pens, scanners, laser engravers, and other complementary technologies. And don't just think products and services. You could also be an affiliate for 3D printing YouTube channels, podcasts, magazines, and even conferences. Niche number 9, the booming smart home and home automation sector. The global market for smart home devices and automated home technologies is exploding and expected to hit a staggering $184 billion by 2030 according to projections. Key growth drivers are declining costs, consumer tech adoption, AI advancements, 5G connectivity, and increased focus on efficiency, convenience, and security. As an affiliate, you have multiple angles to profit from this rising smart home megatrend. Promote best-selling devices like Amazon Echo, Google Nest, Ring cameras, Robovax, Philips Hue lights, etc. Become an affiliate for full home automation and security systems from brands like SimpliSafe, ADT, Vivint, Honeywell, etc. Offer smart power products like Wi-Fi thermostats, power outlets, surge protectors, lighting control systems. Promote smart kitchen gadgets like refrigerators, ovens, coffee makers, crockpots, blenders. Recommend smart washers, dryers, and other laundry room tech and appliances. Suggest products like leak sensors, garage door openers, and other smart home hardware. Offer installation services and product bundles from automation specialists in your area. Sell online courses on topics like setting up a smart home, IFTTT recipes, using Alexa, Google Assistant, etc. And don't forget, beyond physical products, you can also be an affiliate partner promoting smart home and IoT publications, events, communities, and influencer channels too. The smart home revolution is in full swing. Tap into this $184 billion opportunity by promoting all the hottest devices, appliances, systems, and gear that are making homes smarter. So there you have it, unique and wildly profitable affiliate marketing niches that you can dive into right now to amplify your earnings beyond your imagination. Remember to take action fast and start partnering with brands and leveraging networks in these unsaturated markets. Skyrocket your commissions by being an early player. I hope you found tremendous value in discovering these hidden gem niches today. Let me know which one resonates most with you and the next steps in the comments section below. I look forward to connecting down there.